Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting lesson. In today's lesson, we want to solve this exponential fraction, exponential fractional expression with a fractional base as well. An exponential fractional expression with a fractional base. So what we need to do first in order to simplify this expression is from our solution, we have that this expression, we can reduce the power and the base first. So what we need to do is, from our question is 6 over 4 into bracket to the power of 6 over 4 can be reduced as by dividing all through by 2. So we have that 6 divided by 2 over 4 divided by 2. We open the brackets and close that, and from the exponent, 6 divided by 2 over 4 divided by 2. So from here, if we simplify this, our expression now becomes 3 over 2 into bracket to the power of 3 over 2. So having gotten this, then what we can do is to take this approach, the approach of using exponential identity. If we have base a to the power of m over n, then we can express that as the nth root of a to the power of m. So we use this to simplify the next step. So if we do, then we can write this as 3 over 2, then into bracket to the power of 3 multiplied by half. So we can rewrite this exponent this way. Then we can put the next step as 3 to the power of 3 over 3 over 2 to the power of 3, all into brackets, then to the power of half. Whereas this half can be written as a square root. So square root of 3 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 3. And if we simplify what we have in the radical, then we have 3 to the power of 3 given us 27. 2 to the power of 3 will be 8. And we have our square root. We can split this as well. So we have this to be written as equal to square root of 3. So we can write that as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That's what gives us 27. Likewise, from the denominator, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And that will be equal to, so we can combine these 2, 3 together and these 2, 2 to make a perfect square. So we have that to be square root of 3 multiplied by 3 will give us 9. Then we have multiplied by 3 over 2 multiplied by 2, we have 4. Then multiply by 2. So we can now split this as square root of 9 over 4 multiplied by square root of 3 over 2. So if we simplify this as square root, so that means the whole of this become square root of 9 over square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 over square root of 2. That means square root of 4. Okay, so if we simplify this, we now have square root of 9 to be equal to 3. Square root of 4 is given by 2, then multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 2. So this can be combined and express as equal to 3 square root 3 over 2 square root 2. So from here we can multiply by what we have at the denominator in order to rationalize and remove the square root at the denominator. So multiply by square root 2. So multiply by square root 2 at the numerator, then square root 2 at the denominator. So that's, if we simplify this, we have 3 square root 3 multiplied by 2 for the numerator. At the denominator we have 2 square root 2 multiplied by 2. So if we simplify this, we have 3 square root 6 over 2 square root 4. So, and we know that square root 4 is equal to 2. So we have 3 square root 6 over 2 multiplied by 2. And we now have 3 square root 6 over 4 as our final simplification to this problem. Then another thing you can do is a shortcut approach. So what you can do to simplify this is to return back to where we simplify this expression as 3 over 2. So if we take it from this place, we have 3 over 2. From this step where we have 3 over 2 into bracket to the power of 3 over 2. So using the shortcut method, we are going to use the approach of splitting the exponent. Okay, and if we split this, if we split the power, we have 3 over 2 into brackets, and this 3 over 2 can be expressed as 1 plus 1 over 2. So this will give us back this fraction. So from here, using our identity, which implies base a to the power of m plus n is equal to base a to the power of m multiplied by base a to the power of n. So we use this to simplify this, and we have 3 over 2 into brackets to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 over 2 into bracket to the power of half. So after splitting this part, so we can now say 3 over 2, which is the same thing as 3 over 2 to the power of 1, is now multiplied by putting this in a radical form. Because of this half, will now be square root of 3 over 2, and this can now be written as 3 square root 3 over 2 square root 2. So if we rationalize this, we have square root 2 over square root 2. So simplifying this, we have 3 square root, multiply this, we have square root 6 over 2, multiplying this, we have 2 multiplied by 2, and that will be equal to 3 square root 6 over 4. And that's it, as simple as that, using the shortcut. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like this video. If you do enjoy it, subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell for future updates, share this video to your loved ones, and like this video as well. And thanks for watching, while we meet in another interesting one. Bye, stay safe.